Hi, tech enthusiasts. Ever thought about what happens when you yoink components out of your computer while it's switched on? Prepare to see the shocking fallout of this tech meddling. Let's kick things off with the CPU, your computer's nerve center. Yanking it out triggers an instant power down. Sadly, this doesn't just reset your computer, but can cause electrical damage. Next up, RAM. Removal results in your system freezing over. In an amusing twist, DDR5 memory senses something's wrong and stops. DDR4, however, hits a roadblock. Don't make your home PC a guinea pig for this unless phantom PC troubles excite you. How about removing SSDs or hard drives? Here's where it actually gets nuts. If it's a non-OS drive, you may evade major data damage, but pull out your OS drive and prepare for a blue screen meltdown. Surprisingly, Windows falter with this hard drive disappearance act, whereas Linux proves to be a tad hardier. But beware, keep fiddling with M.2 drives, and you risk wrecking those fragile connectors. Ever considered extracting a GPU? It's less disastrous, but no less risky. Having integrated graphics might just save you, but Windows, again, fails to cope and throws out a blue screen. So, there we are. It's rather gripping, isn't it? But perhaps it's smarter to leave such bold endeavors to the daredevils and preserve our equipment. If you relished this tech trip, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Have ideas for upcoming content? We're all ears. Until next time, monkeying around with tech is exciting, but remember, let's keep it safe. See you soon.